Hello there and welcome again in this tutorial. Today we will talk and highlight the difference of the transducers, actuators, sensors, and also the generator. Okay, so as an engineer, especially for the electronic and electrical engineers, or also for uh, I guess also for the telecommunication engineers also, they have come across these terms, which are actuators, so transducer actuators, sensors, and also generators. Actually, each one of them has a different functionality in terms of conversion. Okay, so we can see them as a converters that they convert from a certain type of energy to another type of energy, and we will talk in details of each one of them. Okay, so first let's start with a transducer. Actually, transducer, it will convert of a form of energy into another form of energy. There's no specific forms of energies. For example, here let's take an example like a cell phone. So when you talk using your cell phone, there is a transducer that converting your signal, your voice signal, into electronic signal or electric signal. This transducer actually is the microphone. Okay, this is your microphone, and then after go to the processor, and also it will be transmitted using the RF transmitter. Okay, then once we receive to the other side of the phone, to the receiver, then it will be demodulated because already the transmitter will be modulated. It will be demodulated, then again using another kind of transducer to convert this electrical signal that's been received into another signal that we can hear. Okay, into another signal which is air compression, decompression that we can hear. This transducer at the receiver side is the speaker. Okay, is the speaker at the receiver side. Okay, so this is the transducer. Now we talk to the we convert to the actuator. Actuator actually is another term that is converting the electrical signals, okay, into a mechanical motion, like motors or sliders. Okay, these kind of converters, they are fed with electrical signal to be activated, and the output of this actuator is a mechanical motion. Okay, next we talk about the sensors. Sensors, actually we can find them everywhere, even in our phone, car, laptops, and everywhere around us. The sensors, actually they are also converted, but they're converting the physical phenomena, okay, like temperature, light intensity, pressure level, even the location, the direction. All of these are physical phenomena. By using the sensor, we're converting them into electrical signals, so we can use it to further process it or further analyze the data from these physical phenomena. As we can see here, we have few sensors, which is all of them actually they are at temperature sensors. Okay, now we talk about the generators. Generators, this term, it's been assigned for a converter that converting a mechanical energy into electrical power. Okay, mechanical energy, for example, as the movement in the turbine, rotation energy, or even as vibration, or even heat, I'll actually also consider as a mechanical energy, or even the movement of the photon from the sun. Okay, all of these by using generator, we're converting them into electrical power by using, for example, the solar cell, converting the photons from the sun into electricity. TEG or thermoelectric generator that used to convert the heat into an electricity, and also the piezoelectric, which is converting the vibration or the impact into electricity, and also EMT or electromagnetic generator. Okay, all these examples of the generators that generating the mechanical energy into an electrical power. Okay, so with this I believe we have concluded and also highlighted all the 4 terms, which are transducer, actuator, sensor, and generator, and also have defined the functionality of each one of them. Okay, and also we have seen that actually they are just a converter from one form of energy into another, but with some of them used for a specific type of energy. For example, in the generator, they only or mainly focus on converting the mechanical energy into electrical power, and also the sensor, they are converting the physical phenomena into an electrical signal, and the actuators actually converting the electrical signal into a mechanical motion. Okay, then at the end we have talked also about the transducer. We're converting from any form of energy into another. Actually, transducer, we can see we have mentioned that any form of energy to another form, but in very low power. So this one will be low power. Okay. However, the rest, they are considered as a high power. For example, actuator actually need high power of electrical signals, and also the output will be relatively high power of mechanical motion. Okay, for the generator, same. It will produce high power and also will consume high power of mechanical signals. However, for the sensor, the difference is it will not. It will take a physical phenomena and it will convert it into an electrical signal. This electrical signal could be low, could be high power, depend about the mechanism and the characteristic of the sensor. So we have reached to the end of our tutorial today. So thank you very much. I hope you have learned something. Please let me know if you have any doubt of what we have talked today or you want further clarification. Thank you very much and see you soon.